episode we are going to discuss is about disk formatting and partitioning in Windows 8 and 10. Finding and launching disk management. Right-click the Start menu and choose Disk Management from the contextual menu that appears. Step 1. When the disk management window opens, you may see a pop-up window that states, you must initialize a disk before the logical disk manager can access it. This is most common with drives that have never been used and still have their factory configurations intact. If you see this message, choose the Master Boot Record (MBR) option for drives 2 TB or smaller. Choose the GUID Partition Table (GPT) option for drives larger than 2 TB.
Once you've chosen a partition scheme, click OK. If you do not see this message box, move to Step 2.
Step 2. Find the drive you want to format. It will be listed in the bottom half of the disk management window. The drive should be displayed as unallocated if it has never been used before.
Select the disk by clicking within the region displayed as unallocated, then right-click and choose New Simple Volume. Step 3.
The new Simple Volume wizard will appear. Click Next to move to the first setting. The Specify Volume Size field should be set to use the full amount of space available by default. If you wish to set up a smaller disk size, you can change the setting here. Click Next once the simple volume size is set. Step 4. The new Simple Volume wizard will ask you to assign a drive letter. Based on the drives present in your PC and the letters they use, the next available letter will be chosen by default. You can use this letter or choose a different one from the pop-up menu. Step 5. Before you name the drive for easy recognition, make sure the File System option is set to NTFS. This is the standard format for Windows drives. You can leave the Allocation Unit Size option set to default for general purpose use. Next, enter the drive name in the Volume Label field. It is a good practice to use only letters, spaces, underscores, dashes, and numbers. For general purpose use, leave the default Perform Quick Format option checked, and leave the Enable File and Folder Compression option unchecked. Once these options are set, click Next. Step 6. If the format was successful, you should see a message to that effect on the next wizard screen, along with a listing of the settings you used. Click Finish when you are done reviewing them.
Step 7. The final step is to view your new drive in the disk management window. You should no longer see an unallocated space, and the old disk name should be replaced by the new label you chose in Step 5. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your newly formatted Windows drive. Optional, Step 8a Format Changes. Once a drive has been formatted, if you need it to be readable by both Mac and PC, you can change the file system to XFAT. This type works with both Windows Vista and later and OS X 10.75 and later. To do this, just reopen the disk management window, select your drive, then right-click in the allocated space. Choose Format. Now, you can use your disk.